What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. It is 9 p.m. again and I do not have any coffee, but today's video is very exciting. It is the day that I switched from a full keyboard to a 60% keyboard thanks to GIM. These guys are amazing. They have amazing products. They sent me this keyboard to check out and just take a look at, review. Basically, it's a black edition, 60% RGB keyboard, wired edition, not wireless. So I'm super stoked to check out this keyboard, to be honest, because I've been playing a lot of FPS games lately and a full keyboard has been just too much. Having to lift it and move it around has just not been good for me overall. So I've been thinking a lot about switching to 60%. So when this opportunity presented itself, I jumped on it. We're gonna do a couple of tests. We're gonna basically feel the switches, how stable they are, and what they sound like. These are Gator switches, which is, I don't really know what that is. As you guys know, I'm not like the craziest person about keyboards. I love keyboards in general, and especially gaming keyboards. But yeah, I'm just an average consumer that's gonna be testing this keyboard, checking it out. Or let me just say, an average gamer is gonna be checking out this keyboard and basically getting the feels of what it looks like. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you. My name is GivemChills, aka Nash, and I post on YouTube, TikTok, and I'll go live on Twitch as well. So if you're new to the channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stick around the channel for more content that is related to gamers, content creators, streamers, all sorts of stuff that has to do with gaming. So yes. Without further ado, guys, let's open up this GIM keyboard, check it out, set it up on my desk, and I'm super stoked. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to be doing a quick audio test for the keyboards right now going on. Let's do it. You can see these are your blue switches. They feel really nice on my fingers, to be honest. I really like them. I like them way more than the blue switches that were on my Razer. These are changeable switches, so you can actually change switches if you choose to on this keyboard. Overall, I really like this keyboard, to be honest. Nothing about it is not to like, especially the price under $50. It just looks so good and it feels really good. So I totally recommend this keyboard from GIM. I'm probably going to be using it a lot. So I'll let you guys know more about this and how we'll like it in the future on TikTok or Twitter, so make sure to follow me there. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it if you made it this far. If you enjoyed this keyboard video, please hit that like button. I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet. Interested in buying this GIM keyboard, I put the link down below in the description to check it out on Amazon. And yeah, if you have any other questions, put them down in the comments. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day, night, morning, day, week, weekend, whatever it is. GivemChills out. See you next time. Bye.